Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid and today we are going to learn a word, Chao Sela. I have underlined it with a red line, you can see, and Chao Sela is when there is a noisy, when you feel that a place is noisy, or the noise is out of control, so you use this word Chao Sela. Chao Sela. Chao means noisy. Se, se is a with a third tone, it means death. But if it is overbearing, like you cannot bear the noise and it is very noisy, so you can say Chao Sela. Chao Sela. Okay, so noisy, we can just I'll just write these words for you, that how you are going to write it. So this is how you are going to write these words. Chao. Chao means noisy. जहाँ पे बहुत शोर शराबा हो, बहुत शोर शराबी की माहौल को हम क्या कहते हैं, छाओ. छाओ. But this word basically means this word basically means death. But when it is combined with chao, like when chao is combined with se, so it means that when the noise is out of control, very noisy, very noisy, out of control, बहुत ज़्यादा शोर शराबा हो और वो हद से बाहर जा रहा हो, so you can use this word chao se. Chao se. Chao se. Okay, chao se la. Chao se la. So these are two third tone marks, so you can just make this one a rising tone, like it would be chao se. Chao se. Chao se la. Chao se la. Okay, chao se la. Like if I write the Urdu pronunciation for it, chao, chao se la, chao se la. Okay, so what is the rest of the sentence? 我要去别的地方，我要去别的，我要去别的地方，我要去别的地方。我 means I, yao means need, want, 去 means to go, 别的地方 somewhere else, some other place. Okay, so I'll just go ahead. I'll just go ahead and so the meaning, the translation of it is that it's very noisy. It's very noisy. I want to go. It's very noisy. I want to go somewhere else. Okay, so बहुत शोर है, बहुत शोर है, मैं कहीं और जा रहा हूँ. बहुत शोर है, मैं कहीं और जा रहा हूँ. So this is how we write it in Urdu, and individually, if you can say that individually, like for this word, मतलब ज़रूरत है जाने की, या need, or you can say want or need. Okay, so ज़रूरत है जाने की. you know this word, and this means to go. To go jana. 我要去别的地方。This 别的 this word together means somewhere else. 别的地方。别的地方。别的地方。somewhere else. किसी और जगह, किसी और जगह, कहीं और, ठीक है। मैं कहीं और जा रहा हूँ, किसी और जगह जा रहा हूँ। दीफांग मीन्स प्लेस, जगह, ओके। पियर दीफांग मीन्स किसी और जगह, कहीं और जा रहा हूँ। सो इट्स नॉइजी, आई वांट टू गो समवेयर एल्स। बहुत शोर है, मैं कहीं और जा रहा हूँ। सो यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस सेंटेंस। द वर्ड today is 吵色了，吵色了 means it's very noisy. 我要去别的地方 I want to go somewhere else. I hope you would have liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. We are going to meet each other in next interesting video regarding Chinese language. See you. 再见